Want your phone to tell you who's calling without even looking at the screen? Your Samsung Galaxy has a built-in feature that can announce caller names out loud, and it only takes a minute to turn on. Here's how to do it. Start by opening the phone app on your Samsung device. This is the app you normally use for making and receiving calls. Once inside, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter the call settings page. Now scroll down until you find Answering and Ending Calls. Tap on it to open more options. Inside this section, look for Read Caller Names Aloud. This is the feature that allows your phone to speak the caller's name. If it's currently turned off, simply tap it and switch it on. After enabling it, you'll get a few customization options. You can choose Always so your phone announces caller names every time someone calls. There's also an option to have the name repeated twice, which can be useful in noisy situations. Once you've selected your preferred settings, you're good to go. Your Samsung Galaxy will now announce incoming callers, helping you stay hands-free and aware. That's it for this quick guide. Try it out and see how much more convenient your calling experience becomes. Stay tuned for more simple tips and hidden features to get the most out of your device.